Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in this video I'll walk you through how to factory reset and wipe your Xiaomi 15T Pro. You might want to do this if you're sending it away for repairs, if you're giving it to friends or family, or if you're selling it on or trading it in. Right then, first thing to do is unlock your phone. I do it with the inbuilt screen fingerprint reader. Find the settings section of your smartphone. In my case, I'll go into the app drawer, scroll down to settings, and then from the settings section, you can go to the about phone section. Sorry, I've got quite a few notifications coming through. Now in here, scroll down and you'll have a section, second from the bottom, that says factory reset. Now that I've done that, you'll be faced with a screen where it tells you what's going to be removed from the phone. Contacts, photos and videos, apps, accounts, backups, SD card and data, and other items on this device. At the bottom you'll have a button that says erase all data. Tap on that. You'll then need to enter your screen pattern. And once you've done that, you're then prompted to back up your data first. Now obviously you can go through the backup, but I'm just going to go for factory data reset. I've already done that to prepare for that. And because I had an eSIM installed for travel, it suggests that I clear all eSIM profiles on this device. To restore service, you'll have to connect to your carrier. Okay, so let's clear those eSIMs. I'm sure the person getting this phone won't want some dead Iralo eSIMs, but here we go. Factory reset will erase all data on your device, including photos, songs, notes, and other personal data. Make sure you back up all the important items on your computer. I've done that. I've been prepared for this, so I'm going to click next. Next up, you get another warning that says, make sure all important items are backed up to your computer. All the data on this device will be erased during the reset. You won't be able to restore the items you haven't backed up. And I'm okay with this. Once you've done that, the phone will reboot, and from having rebooted, it will essentially take you back to the setup screen. It'll be like the phone had been when you set it up, just with any newer operating system updates that were provided along the way. As you can see here, I've got the Xiaomi logo and the Android logo. That's happening in the background. So whilst that's happening, I'm going to look at the bottom side of the phone. In this case, I must not forget to keep my SIM card. So I'll use a SIM ejector tool to get my SIM card out and then pop the tray back in. Once that's done, by the time that's done, in this case the Xiaomi logo has reappeared with the Android logo, no percentage running here because it's restarting the whole setup experience. So Xiaomi HyperOS, and then it's done. So there you go. That is how to factory reset your Xiaomi 15T Pro. As usual, if you have any questions, if you'd like to know more, please do leave us a comment in the section below. We'll do our best to get back to you. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.